welcome back to my channel. I'm Sneha. I'm a professional makeup artist, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how I create this beautiful brown smoky eyes look. So yeah, without any further delay, let's get into the video. Okay, so starting off with the skin preparation, I'm using Plum Green Tea face mist. This is my favorite face mist and it's amazing for acne prone skin. Just spraying it all over my face to give that extra hydration before moisturizer. Next, for moisturizer, I'm using Neutrogena oil free moisturizer. So basically I have acne prone skin and not every moisturizer suits me really well. So recently I started using this and I think I'm pretty much loving this moisturizer. So taking a good amount and applying all over my face and massaging it very well. Next, I'm using sunscreen from La Shield. I guess I'm pronouncing it right. La Shield sunscreen gel. It says gel, but it is a cream based product. It has SPF 40. Okay, so then I'm gonna take Shampoo Liquid Illuminator. I love this stuff, you guys. When you apply this on your bare skin, it makes your skin so glowy. So if you're looking for a subtle glow, this is the perfect product for you. Camera is not capturing the amount of glow this product is giving me, but I love this product. So for today I'm starting with eyes first. So I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Sand. I'm applying all over my eyelid just to create a base. Okay, so next I'm taking this white eyeshadow from Makeup Revolution palette, taking a small amount and dusting out the extra, and then I'm just patting all over my concealer area. Okay, moving on to eye makeup, I'm using this Jaclyn Hill palette and taking this dark brown shade. You can use any dark brown color. Just applying all over my lid area. Basically here I'm just patting the color, I'm not spreading it or merging it, I'm just patting it to create that shape. And next I'm taking this light brown shade, slightly light brown shade, to apply rest of my lid and crease area and blend everything together very nicely. There should not be any harsh lines, so merging is important. Next I'm using this black eyeliner from K Beauty. I thought this is a very simple and sober look, so let's just apply a nice black wing liner to complete the whole look. And that's how I create my wing. Okay, so let's move on to face makeup, and for that I'm using this orange corrector from LA Girl. So basically corrector हम use करते हैं to hide our pigmentation, acne marks और sun tan, जो भी चीज़ें आपकी face पे हैं which you have to hide or something like that. So you can use this orange corrector, or if you have any red marks then you can use the green corrector. Okay, so for foundation I'm using this Forever 52 liquid foundation after so long. So for this foundation I would say this is a very nice medium to full coverage foundation. I'm just applying all over my face. You can even build it up according to your choice and preferences. For highlighting I'm using the same Fit Me concealer in the shade Sand. I'm just applying a very small amount and just dabbing it. Next, to set my face I'm using this Maybelline Master Fix Setting Loose Powder. Just baking a little bit and applying all over my face. Next is time for contouring the face, and for that I'm using the Savannah palette and I'm taking the product, dusting out the extra, and I'm just slowly I'm just contouring my face. And I'm contouring my nose too, because that is very important. And for blush I'm taking the same palette. I'm using this light pink shade, applying on my cheeks and little bit on my nose. And it's time for my most favorite part is lipstick, and this is my favorite lipstick. Like, I'm a fan of this lipstick. This is Jane from Nykaa. It's a beautiful brown shade which I love. I'm a fan of brown lipstick basically. I don't like red much. And for eyebrows I'm using Nykaa Take Me Brow. It's a powder based product and it's very easy to apply. This is my current favorite. For my lower lashes, last I'm using the white kajal, and this is the final look. I'm gonna go and come back. Okay, I am back and also done my hair. Oh wait, I have to put a bindi because my Indian looks are incomplete without bindi. And this is it. That is the final look which I created for wedding function. You can carry this look to any functions or festival because it's a very sober yet elegant look. So I hope you guys watching this video. If you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay safe.